Hello and welcome to a new video. You would like to earn money easily with some excellent pages for this purpose, pages that really do not require any experience that, however, are an excellent opportunity to start generating a good income online. Then stay because this video is for you since I bring you an incredible opportunity for you to start earning money online in a fairly simple way with some excellent pages that work for practically everyone. The page we are going to be using is gg2u.com. Here you will find a very good opportunity to be able to start earning money on PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards. The truth is that it is a fairly simple way to start generating, especially if you want to start earning income in a relatively simple way. You need a little more information and good registration. The truth is that of the most basic, in addition to the fact that just by registering you get a bonus of $1 for this, you only need your name, your email address, username, your password, obviously, and your country of residence. We accept terms and conditions and we will log in now. Yes, once the truth is that there is not much mystery here. How many coins are you going to be winning for each minute of play? The minimum amount you withdraw. The truth is that it is very low at just $7, and in fact it offers you several opportunities to win. Let me show you each of them. You can still see them all here and earn, and the first would be with the offers. For example, we have offers here where, well, basically you are going to install an application and you are going to start earning money for it. Yes, I like them, but not so much since for example, there are some opportunities that are interesting, but you have to make a payment. There are others that are free like this one where you just have to install, and in addition to the fact that they are going to give you a bonus of $5, but the coins they give are very low. Obviously the ones that the most they are going to be paying are the ones that you have to do the most activities. For example, this one, as you see, you have to get to world, then this one, and this one, and then if you receive your 224 coins, there are still several opportunities. For example, these others, let's see, this one pays a lot good, but you have to open the application and register and make a purchase with your credit card. That's why it pays more. The truth is that it doesn't seem affordable to me. I already know several offers. This is convenient, but it pays quite little. The truth is that the offers usually, if they pay quite little, you don't have to do anything more than install an application or register. We have different options here. For example, we have all of these that by simply registering on one of these pages you can be earning money. Service multi-rewards, which is basically receiving different rewards for carrying out different activities, although for example it is basically leveling up. Here you can see all the available offers and so on. Now we have all these partners who, well, they are going to be giving us money for carrying out the activities. Well, we have these which are basically quite similar to previous, with the difference that this one is paying a little more coins, 1183 324. The truth is that, look, it is even much more convenient than the previous one that only paid 4.5 or 20 or 300 at most. Here are opportunities that pay super well. For example, this one, since right now they are offering a bonus here, so the truth is that it suits you quite a bit, but you have to take something into account. 1,000 coins here are equivalent to 65. Look here, it is in fact here, you can see it, so you don't get too excited either. We have Lural by where, for example, we have these. This, look, it's interesting. You register and install buff and you buy the premium subscription. Okay, well, if you register and install buff, you would already be earning among the 65. If you want more coins, well, the truth is that you would have to pay, but I don't see it as convenient except that you want to earn money playing online. In fact, a video will appear here following it where I mention this page and explain a little more about how you can win. Now we have those opportunities that, as you can see, are quite different pages, and some very similar, but the opportunities are there for you to start earning. As you can see, there are a lot of offers available. Obviously, each one will be paying a certain amount of coins depending on the difficulty or if you have to pay the same or not. And while we go through surveys, that would be to give it, click here, and we have a lot. As you can see, we have simple ones. We have You Serve Dyna Spike Up, and it changes. In particular, it seems to me to be one of the favorites since, for example, here you can see the rating of the users for this survey, and also how much time it takes, 21 minutes, and you get 87 coins, 16 minutes, 32, and so we have several opportunities which the truth is that they can pay quite well. Honestly, getting started is quite simple, and to do this, you simply click here, select your nationality, and complete this series of steps. The truth is that it does not have any science, and now we have all these offers. The truth is that, for example, you could choose from good ones from BitLabs as well. It is a very good way to earn since they offer you quite varied things. Although usually quite simple, the only thing you have to do well, entering your email address and completing a simple form is now not the only way we have to win. The last way would be with videos. Because if you can also win by watching videos, the truth is that it is a way that I don't like. I like it so much, I explained to you why you are going to have to watch many videos to receive your tokens, which for example, 200 video points would be $1 to $3, which will be added to your account. But I honestly feel that it is a super slow process that personally I don't like it very much. Honestly, I would go more for the surveys, which, although they are a little more difficult, the truth is that you can get much better results in less time. If I were to qualify or put a position, it would be surveys first, then the Sophie walls, and the last one the videos, because I feel that it is too long for me, it is not worth it, but hey, it is a good way to earn money. Also watching videos if what you want is to make it easier anyway once you reach the minimum threshold of payment, because you simply had to click, and well, once you reach the minimum payment threshold, you will simply update your account with the convenient payment method. Obviously for this, you should have already reached $7 and ready to start collecting your profits. As you see, you are going to click here on manage account request, and that's it. Here you can enter promotional codes, a little more information, and well, the money is going to arrive here to your PayPal account. As you see, we have to configure it, and well, you could also put your Coinbase account to be able to start earning for it. Anyway, tell me how you thought about this new page. Leave me your comments in the description to know what you think. Until next time.